Hello, and welcome to Applied Programming Tips and Tricks, your gateway to mastering Python programming. I am Dinesh Kushwaha, your guide through this exciting Python journey. Today, I want to provide you with a comprehensive overview of what this course entails and what you can expect to achieve. Course name: Introduction to Python Programming, Unlocking the Power of Python for Beginners. Throughout this course, our primary objectives are 1. Foundations of Python. We'll start by building a solid foundation in Python programming. You'll learn about variables, data types, and basic control structures. 2. Problem solving. You'll develop problem-solving skills by working on a variety of coding challenges and exercises. 3. Real-world applications. We'll explore how Python is used in real-world scenarios. From web development to data analysis, you'll see the practical side of Python. 4. Coding best practices. You'll not only write code but also learn how to write clean, efficient, and maintainable code, a valuable skill for any programmer. 5. Projects. You'll have the chance to apply what you've learned by working on projects that reflect real-world Python development. 6. Resources and support. I'm here to support your learning journey. We'll provide resources, forums, and live Q&A sessions to ensure your success. Our course is divided into 7 modules, each carefully crafted to build upon the previous one. Here's a brief overview. Module 1: Python Basics. We'll start with the fundamentals, introducing you to Python's syntax and core concepts. Module 2: Data Structures. You'll delve into lists, dictionaries, and other essential data structures. Module 3: Control Flow. We'll cover conditional statements, loops, and logical operators. Module 4: Functions and Modules. You'll learn how to create reusable code with functions and explore Python's extensive library. Module 5: Project Phase. Apply your knowledge to practical projects that mimic real-world scenarios. Module 6: Beyond Basics. We'll dive deeper into topics like file handling, error handling, and advanced data manipulation. Module 7: Final Project. Showcase your skills by working on a larger scale project of your choice. Remember, if you ever have questions or need guidance, you can reach out to me at tukush.dinesh@gmail.com or connect with your fellow learners in our dedicated forums. Your success is our priority. I'm genuinely excited to be your guide on this Python adventure. Python is an incredible language with vast possibilities, and by the end of this course, you'll be well equipped to tackle a wide range of programming challenges. So, let's embark on this journey together.